let's have a quick update on Yi. So Yi's a little bit quiet at the moment. There's not too much going on. There's not a load of hype. That's until it returns again. And it's on a little bit of a pullback from the all-time high, which is 30 million so far. So it's currently a 35% correction, I guess. Yeah, it's currently sitting at a 38% correction. It went down to about 42% drop. So that's completely normal, right, for a meme coin. And so yeah, it's been a little bit quiet. It's kind of cooled off a little bit since the hype, but that's until the hype kicks back in again. And it's no surprise that we're seeing things dump, because Bitcoin's taking a big dump, right? It's taking a big dump right on our heads. And yeah, this is getting pretty annoying with Bitcoin. Bitcoin's just been really, really boring lately, right? It looks like it's going to go up, and then something like this happens. It just keeps on happening like this over and over again. And it really is a grind at the moment, at this point in time in the market. Man, I really want to see Bitcoin just push up towards the highs again and break out new highs. Obviously, that's what we all want to see, right? Man, hopefully it can happen soon. We need it. We deserve it. But yeah, Yi's kind of just consolidating right now. We could potentially drop a little bit lower. Hopefully not, although could potentially buy more if it goes lower. So I've already got a big bag, but if it does go lower, then I might have to consider getting an even bigger bag. But yeah, I still think this has got 100x potential, which is 2 billion market cap. I think that is possible, or at least into the hundreds of millions, because it's not on tier 1 exchanges yet. I think when this gets tier 1 exchanges, then obviously this can pump to hundreds of millions, or even potentially billions. So this is great, 100x coin right here. And I've also been loading up on Yi's friends, right? And a lot of degens in the space are obviously doing this too, because people are CTOing Yi's friends projects. So if we go on the website, we go on the Yi website. On the Yi video, there's also this dinosaur here, right? So this is the Yi dinosaur, this one here, the T-Rex. And this here is the other dinosaur in the Yi video, right? So this little guy is called Peak, okay? So when I found out about this, when I went looking up who's the other dinosaur in the Yi video, this is what I found. And this was launched back in April 2025. And this one's been kind of quiet, right? There's not really an active team or active community with this at the moment. Well, there is somewhat. There's not. It's pretty quiet with this one, right? But that doesn't mean it can't regain. It can't regain momentum. It can't get something going on with it again soon, right? Even if it's in the long term, even in like a few months from now, if Yi is going to run into hundreds of millions or billions, then people could start to get involved with this one and they could start pushing it. So that's why I bought some of this one. So I'm holding a small bag of this because this is potentially 1000x, right? This is 100k market cap. To go to 100 million or 127 million, that'd be 1000x, right? So that's possible. If Yi goes to hundreds of millions or even into the billions, then the beta play for Yi, which is this one, could also go, it could go to 100 and something million, which would be 1000x. So this is a potential 1000x play right here. And this is another one that actually got CTO'd just yesterday. Okay, so today's the 19th of January, so got CTO'd yesterday on the 18th. And there is a community taking over this one. Okay, so this is a more active one. I think the other one could potentially be better because it's the real spelling. Because when I actually looked it up online, it said the spelling is P-E-E-K. So I think potentially that one could potentially be the main beta play to Yi. But as of right now, this one's more active. Okay, so this one could be the winner. Or the other one, I'm just holding both of them now. I've got a bag of both of them. I top blasted this one about 110k. And so yeah, I'm just holding both of them because I believe that Yi's going to go on a big run. I think Yi's going to get the tier 1 exchanges. And I think all of these beta plays to Yi are going to do really well as well. So I'm just holding small bags of them. And they could do 1000x, right? So I'm not really looking at these as a short-term trade. I'm kind of holding them with Yi just to complement my Yi bag, right? So if Yi can do 100x, then these could do 1000x, right? Because they're so low market cap. Although technically if Yi does 100x from here, I would be up 1000x on Yi anyway. So this is like another 1000x for me. But so yeah, this one's kind of currently pumping. And another one of Yi's friends that is currently pumping is this one, Cree. So this one's pumping quite a lot. It did get all the way up to 375k. And this is just another one of Yi's friends. It's another character in the program that Yi's from. Okay. So we saw this before back in 2024, 2025. Well, not so much 2025, 2023, 2024. We saw Peppy and his friends do well. And then there was Hoppy and Hoppy's friends that did well. So this is just another sort of thing like that, right? This is Yi, and I think this will do better than Hoppy and his friends, because Yi is a direct rival to Peppy, right? So yeah, when the market recovers, I think there's going to be a lot going on with these characters, right? I think there's going to be a little season going on for Yi and his friends. So yeah, this one's been pumping a lot. I bought this one out of 50k market cap. Down here, I posted it in my private group. So this is my private group here. So this is the wins section. I've posted Yi on here, as I call Yi, at 1.4 million market cap, and obviously it pumped 21x. Okay, so that's obviously one of my wins on here. This Cree, I got a 7x on that so far, and this other coin, Burglar, got a 3x on that so far. This is a Matt Fury coin as well, a Matt Fury character. And I think this Burglar one could do pretty good because based on marketing and stuff, they're basically they're raiding like fast food restaurants on X. You know, they're raiding like McDonald's and stuff. Okay, and imagine if some point there's a McBurglar, right? It's like a burglar that comes out. You know, if this manages to implement with McDonald's as a marketing campaign of some sorts, then this could obviously do really well. Okay, so obviously it's a high risk. It's just a burger. You know, I never thought I'd be investing into burger coins, but here we go. Here I am. So yeah, you never know, man. You never know. This could, if McDonald's or something adopts this in some sort of way, then you know we could see some crazy rocket ships going on. So yeah, but yeah, this is my group anyway. So if you want to join this to see my buy alerts, I've got my buy and sell alerts here. You can see access to my DeFi trader course if you want to get access to that. You know, there's a degen trading chat here, a leverage trading chat, and I've got some watch lists here. So any good coins that come up that I like, I'll stick on these watch lists. Maybe I'll make some more watch lists and kind of organise them a bit differently. But yeah, I've got some watch lists of coins I'm watching that I think are good. There's only 5 people in the group so far, so I'm doing this right now for $1 a month. Okay, so if you get in now, whilst it's early access, you'll be in at $1 a month. You'll be locked in at $1 a month for as long as you want to be in. Obviously, if you get in later, once there's more members in, then obviously the price is going to be a bit higher. There's 5 people in the group. One guy in here so far is pretty active. He actually found that other peak play. So this one, the one that's just pumped since yesterday, he found that one. And then some of the other people in the group, maybe they just want to see my buy and sell alerts, which is fine if you want to join just to see my buy and sell alerts, or if you want to join just to see what's going on, that's fine. And also, especially if you want to be part of a group that's looking for the best plays, and you know everybody's all searching for the best coins and all sharing information and stuff like that, exchange, you know, sharing alpha and kind of all helping each other out. If you want to be a part of that, then you should definitely join, because imagine when there's like 100+ people in here and we're all bouncing ideas off of each other and like telling each other coins we found, and like, you know, we can quickly assess what are the best coins and all this good stuff, right? So yeah, once I've built this group up, that's basically the goal of this group, is to get to the point where we can efficiently find the best opportunities. Okay, that's the main point in this group. But yeah, also if you want to just join to see my buys and sells or whatever, that's fine too. So yeah, currently $1 a month. Link for this is down in the description, so go check that out. But before you check that out, drop a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.